sweep it up. Look at that. Thanks, Kenzie. What do you say?
Okay.
Killed it. Thank you, thank you. Gonna get something done today. Just went to the hardware store, and of course they're closed by the time I get off. So I don't know when we'll ever be able to get the blue lights from them, but one day. Jay's currently out there opening up the gates. As you can probably hear, the deuce is running. We're going to use it to go grab the disc that's out in the field so we can hold on to it and eventually use it. So that's what we're going to do right now. I got Jay going to get the chain so that way we can hook up to it. This thing's buried in the ground, so I'm hoping by pulling on it with the deuce I'll be able to yank it out. It's a pretty big disc. It's bigger than I was remembering it to be, which is good. But I just don't understand what is all going on here, but it is what it is. I know that's added the weight, the little motor pieces. I just don't know. Baby, we're disking. Oh, baby.
She was digging.
That thing works pretty good, huh?
Sinking.
Sinking. Yes, yes, yes.
I wonder if it was just being held by this and it wouldn't be apart.
What?
I wonder if it was just being held by this. That's why.
No, it's all with this piece right here. Yeah, so up here, wherever it's at the notch determines probably how much it digs, and then this is probably just to make it go straight and roll like it was. Because you see how this big arm is like the pivot point?
Yeah.
It controls the pivot point. Let's go look at it real quick.
Oh, it's deep.
I want to see it. Dude, that looks good. See, that's what I'm saying. Just have you sitting there pulling, doing the loop.
Yeah.
And then I'll come behind you with the tractor.
Just chill it. 3 laps probably?
Dude, I had you guys are gonna get a kick out of this one. I had the emergency brake on the entire time, and that truck was just pulling. The disc, emergency brake, all of it. Didn't even care. It didn't. The only reason why I noticed it was because it started to smell. Probably burned it up. I gotta probably readjust it. I did it right before I took off to head down here, but it's just one of those things you just forget about because there's no light and it's down at the bottom of the chair. You just take off. So it started sinking as soon as I pulled.
Yeah.
Look at this. Woo! Yep.
So I'm thinking like
That's
2 or
what
3
I'm
times around with
talking
you
about.
chilling behind me.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. I don't even got to tilt. I can just come behind you and pick up all this loose stuff.
Especially all this.
Oh yeah.
It's like singing. Over here.
Isn't that crazy how it's like sand?
Right where you're like, kind of where you started turning.
Oh, when it turned?
Yeah, it was deep.
Real deep? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm just gonna park it in there, and then that way we can close the gate and put a lock on it, and we'll be good to go.
Maybe you'll just back it in.
Oh yeah. Huh?
Maybe you'll back it in.
No, I'm just gonna drop it right there.
Oh, right there.
That's what I'm saying.
There we go.
Yep. We almost got a track right here. Just follow these ruts already made. Alrighty, there's your guys' update for today. I don't think we really got anything else on the agenda. Either way, if we find something to do, we'll record it. We're back at it. We're in the shop today. The agenda: getting this thing torn down so I can sell it, unfortunately. Let's see. Main thing is just getting all the parts off so that way I can fix the paint, like I've said probably a million times. And then just to clean it up, figure something out for these rims. And what else? Probably take off the sticker decals, and then I think I'm gonna have to dye the tank. That way it looks good, but that's the plan. I'm gonna get after it while Jay does school, get some stuff knocked out, and then later on today, I'm gonna go run and get a bunch of 2x4s and all the wood we need for the greenhouse. And then hopefully we can get that thing knocked out today too. If not, we can get it done tomorrow. We don't really have anything planned tomorrow, so it's on the agenda. Well, just like that in a couple of minutes for you guys. No, it wasn't probably more than an hour, hour and a half to get her all done. Man, it's nice having a shop to actually do stuff in. The front half, I don't even have to worry about because none of the paint chipped. It's all looking really good. I just got to peel the stickers off. Maybe touch up the rim. I don't know. It looks pretty good. There's only one spot by the air valve stem that's a little chunked up. This stuff, I don't know. Probably just gonna leave. It's not that big of a deal. Everybody understands that you gotta strap down the bike somewhere. This is all looking really good up here. I just got to touch up right here with some of my touch-up paint. And then I just got a washer. Probably just gonna roll her outside and get the pressure washer. Get all of it off, scrub it down real good. Probably get a toothbrush and then bring her on back in and paint it up. I got to do this. The swing arms on there. I got to do the subframe, the rear wheel. I think that's it, honestly. And then just fixing up all the plastic so it looks good again, and then redoing the tank. I gotta get some more dye for that, but not bad, not bad. Shouldn't be more than a week if I can get the dye ordered. I just gotta figure out a holding tank for it, because it's gotta be big enough to submerge it in, and it's gotta get to, like, I don't know, boiling, 212, whatever. So in that way the plastic will absorb all the black dye. It turned out really good the first time. It just, for some reason, it all faded and got sucked into the stickers that I put on, or the decals, so I don't know. That's gonna be it for right now. I'm probably gonna go inside, help Jay out with some homework, and then eventually run to the lumber yard, which is just right down the street, get all the lumber, and probably go to Lowe's or Home, probably Lowe's since I have the military discount, and get the plastic that we need to enclose it. And we'll go ahead and throw that together later today. Yeah, all right, so I was slacking a little bit on the recording, got in the groove. What we got going now is I took off the brake. Can't get the sprocket off, so I'm just gonna mask it off and then mask the wheel or the tire off, so that way I can fix the rim. In here, as you guys can see now, got the bike hanging up. It's all painted. Might have to come back and touch up some stuff, but like as you guys can see in here, it looks a lot better. I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, I'm just gonna have to come back with a couple more coats, fill it in, but it's looking a lot better. It seems to be pretty durable, so I'm pumped with it. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. Couple more coats. Using that spray paint. Let's see what it is. It's the Rust-Oleum Protective Enamel, black satin. Direct to metal, no primer, dries in 30 minutes. I don't know, it's meant for a wheelbarrow, so should be good enough for a dirt bike. Let's see. Got all the plastics clean. They're looking really fresh, especially after taking off all of the decals. Everything underneath was like perfect, brand new. Like this brake caliper and stuff, that I'm just gonna have to wipe up the best I can. Radiators look good. Seat just to wipe down again. The chain I'm gonna soak in oil. The CDI box and all the plugs look good. This I have to well, let me fix myself here. This I have to JB weld. I don't know if you guys can see that. JB weld it back onto the other side of the rubber piece. I don't know where it's at right now. I think it might be... Oh, it's on the actual exhaust over there. Right there, if you guys can see it. So I just gotta JB weld it back on. It's just one of them vibration dampener things. What What else? The stock exhaust is probably what I'm going to put back on it and then sell it with the Pro Circuit Shorty if somebody wants to run it. Clean the air filter. So there's plenty of stuff to do. Still got this girl for sale. Bunch of people hitting me up about it, but nobody's actually came to take a look at it yet, so it's unfortunate, but eventually I'm sure it'll sell. So I'm gonna get back at it with getting this rim set up. Just did another coat and did the subframe. Looking real good. Yep. Now it's just getting everything back together without completely messing it all up. The last I got is to do the rim. Oh, that was kind of cool like that. I think I'm just gonna put it up here and spray paint it real quick. This desk isn't anything important, so that's what I'm gonna get after. Here's a quick little update on the bike. Subframe is looking great. The rim is looking great. Look at that. Beautiful. Looks all fresh again. That I just cleaned up, I didn't repaint. But this came in the mail today. The dye for the tank. And then the bike. Looking good. It's almost time to throw her back together. All I really got to do is dye the tank, clean the motor, and slap it all back together. Shouldn't take too long. I just got to figure out what I'm going to use to. Oh, actually, Huh. I'm thinking one of these drums, but I might have one at work. A metal one that I could snag up. Because I just need something big enough that this thing will fit in so I can submerge it. And then I also got to heat it up. Get it boiling. So, I think that's what I'm going to do is take a gander tomorrow at work. See if I can't snag one up so that way I can get it fixed up. My only thing though is I don't know how I'm going to get all of this adhesive off of the dang tank. I mean, I understand that there's goof off, but that's a lot to try and rub off. Might see if I can't sand it and then just real fine sand it. I don't know. I'll come up with something. Anyhow, that's the update. See you guys whenever I get around to working on it again.